Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error 0x800F0922 when you're trying to update your Windows, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that Windows update error on your computer. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here control panel, and then you're going to click onto programs here. You're going to click on to turn Windows features on or off. And here what you're going to do is you're going to open up .NET Framework 3.5. Make sure both of these are ticked off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Windows Sandbox. So if you have Windows Sandbox on here, you're going to untick on it just like this. And then you're going to press OK. I don't have it here because I've already unticked it. Once you press OK, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, then you'll see that you won't get that error anymore when you try to update your Windows. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.